In this video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So it's very similar. First, let's go to Instagram and then let's go to our inbox and let's pick a friend that we want to message. And then what we want to do is to tap the camera button here. So let's take a picture. You could edit it. And then on the bottom, you could see several options here, like view once if you want the photo to disappear after viewing it, allow replay to let it be viewed twice, and then keep in chat if you don't want it to disappear. So for this message, I am going to select view once, and if we send that and he's going to view it once, it's gonna be gone. So that's how you send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.